Online learning, free courses.
Okay, so real quickly in this video, I just want to go over some of these seller tools that they have here. Right here at the top where it says selling, you're going to see your orders. This is just a list of all of your active orders that you have here. You can go back to completed orders. This is where you can contact people that you've worked with before. There's all of your cancellations. And then here's where you'll find your gigs, right? Where you, if you ever need to edit anything or if you want to create a new gig, it's going to be in here. Inside of analytics, this is just places where you can find your stats. November hasn't been very busy for me. You can see all your sales. Those are the completed ones, active, orders that have been completed, your response rates, the ones that you've delivered on time. Here's your cancellations, ones that have been initiated by you, by the seller. Here's your ratings. And then it gives you your timeline of, when you joined, when you reached level 1, when you reached level 2, and then when you became a top seller. And then of course, it shows all the countries that you've helped work with, which is, it's pretty cool actually. You get to see like all these places that you've helped. Yeah, the UK, I've done a lot for them. Germany, yeah. So it's just super, super cool that you get to see all that stuff. And they've made this a lot more, they give you a lot more features now, like more info than they used to inside of your analytics. Then you have earnings, but they also give you your earnings here too. So this is where you'll go when you want to withdraw money. When you have money that's able to be ready to be withdrawn, you'll see your dollar amount. It's somewhere in here that they'll display it. I forget if it's like right here or over here, but you'll see that there's money that's able to be taken out, and then you'll simply press once there is cash ready, you can press your little PayPal withdrawal account and it will send you an email, and then you can go ahead and withdraw your funds. From there, buyer requests. This I'm not sure of. I've actually never really had to. Oh, these are like custom requests. People that currently have custom things out that are looking for work. So if you're really slow, if it's a really slow day, you're not getting many orders, just come in here, buyer requests, see if anyone is looking for services like yours, and you can hook up with those people. And then of course you have the promote yourself section where you can create your badge to put on a third-party site, or you can generate a custom offer. So, and the custom offer is just, kind of like, it sounds like it is like it's going to be a custom gig that's for someone who's looking for a specific service. So that is the seller tools in a nutshell. And that'll just help you navigate through a little bit more. If you ever buy gigs on Fiverr, here is the place to do that. And everything is pretty self-explanatory. Your orders, transactions, you can favorite different gigs that you buy often or that you like. And then here, these two, post a request is like if you needed custom work done, just like we saw in the buyer request over here, that's where you're posting to. And then the manage requests is when you want to delete one of those messages. And then team account is if you have more than one person that's working inside of your account and you want to have your whole team be able to log in through Fiverr. So that is the Fiverr tools. You've already seen the messaging system, the community. They actually do have live events in New York and maybe a couple other cities as well. I've actually never been able to attend any, but that's what that is all about. They have their own blog, their forum, which we kind of looked into a little bit in the last video, and then I guess they have a podcast now, which I wasn't even aware of. So inside the forum is pretty helpful, especially if you have specific questions to things that are on Fiverr. That can help you a lot with that. To-do list. Let's see what that is. Okay, so just cross-posting. So yeah, it's just a neat little tool, neat little feature. So those are all of the navigation bar and how to get around Fiverr and their little tools and areas that they offer for you. So hope that's been helpful, and you can join me in the next section.